Okay, so in triangle QRS, they give us lengths. So I'm going to make triangle QRS. Q, R, S, and they're telling us what the lengths are. So they say QR is 4, RS is 15, and we know the angle in between, add angle R, it's 36 degrees. So they're telling us that. Sorry, I'm actually going to do something here. This will be fun. I should do this more. Is to do this. And shrink it back down. Hey, that's a new trick I didn't do before. Maybe it's a little small. Okay, but that, and let me do that again. I'll zoom in. But that's 36 degrees. Okay. And we're going to sketch the other one now as well. Because they say, are these two similar? So in UVT, let's write that down. UVT, remember they might not be in the proper orientation, but they tell us that VT is 8, TU is 32, and measure of T is 36. So I'm going to zoom in on T, right? 36 there. Okay, so what you can see there is that we've got side angle side, and which sides are we talking about? Well, we're going to see if they're in proportion based on small side to big side. Okay, so let me set same color. On this left triangle, we have 4 is to 15. The shorter side on that triangle to the bigger side on that triangle equals 8 to 32. The smaller side on that triangle to the bigger side on that triangle. And are they proportionate? I'm not going to give anything away, I know, but I'm not going to give it away. Let's multiply diagonally. This times this, 4 times 32 equals, or does it, 15 times 8. Okay, and multiplying them through, I could do the math over here, but I can do the math in my head because I work these numbers a lot. This is 128. And this is 120. They are not equal. So we could say triangles are not similar. Done.